Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to embark on an electrifying journey through the latest innovations? Today, we're thrilled to present to you our curated selection of the 13 coolest gadgets currently available on Amazon. From futuristic smart home devices to sleek portable accessories, we've scoured the digital aisles to bring you the cream of the crop. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be wowed as we unveil these cutting-edge creations that are redefining the way we live, work, and play. Without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of tech. Halo Rise. Introducing the Halo Rise, your ultimate bedside companion for achieving the perfect night's sleep. Engineered with cutting-edge sensor technology, this low-energy sleep tracker monitors your body movement, breathing, room temperature, humidity, and light levels throughout the night, providing invaluable insights into your sleep patterns. Featuring a smart alarm function, it wakes you up at the optimal sleep stage for a more natural and refreshing start to your day. With built-in Alexa integration, you can control your sleep environment with simple voice commands, from getting a sleep summary to waking up to your favorite music or setting up a personalized routine. Rest assured, your privacy is protected with no camera or microphone on the device. If you're seeking a reliable sleep tracker that prioritizes your sleep quality and privacy, look no further than the Halo Rise. Wearabot Pinot Lamp. Elevate your workspace with the Wearabot Pinot Lamp, the ultimate companion for efficient and targeted lighting. Engineered with an advanced artificial intelligence algorithm, the Pinot lamp automatically adjusts its brightness and direction to provide optimal lighting for any task. Whether you're engrossed in a late-night reading session, jotting down notes, or shooting a video, the Pinot lamp ensures that you have the perfect illumination every time. But it's not just a functional lighting fixture. The Pinot lamp also doubles as an emotional companion, with a soothing breathing light effect that creates a serene ambience in any space. And with the Wearabot Pinot Lamp app, you have complete control over every aspect of the lamp, from headlight movement to brightness adjustments and tracking modes. Available in 6 stylish colors, the Wearabot Pinot Lamp is not just a lighting solution. It's a statement piece that adds a touch of elegance to any room. DreamView G1 Pro. Step into the immersive world of gaming with the DreamView G1 Pro gaming light strip. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, this cutting-edge accessory is a must-have for any gaming enthusiast. Featuring 4 color match modes, including a dynamic audio visualizer mode, the G1 Pro ensures that your gaming environment pulsates in perfect sync with the action on your screen. Whether you're delving into a high-stakes battle or exploring vast virtual landscapes, the G1 Pro's immersive gaming mode with 2 light bars and rounded neon lights transports you directly into the heart of the action. Take your gaming setup to the next level with the cutting-edge game design mode, which allows you to customize your lighting effects with effortless precision. And with the ultimate app control mode, boasting over 42 scene modes to choose from, the customization possibilities are truly endless. Plus, the highlight feature seamlessly integrates your Govee lights with your gaming setup for an unparalleled visual experience that will leave you breathless. Dreamglass Flow. Step into the future of gaming with the Dreamglass, the ultimate AR glasses redefining the gaming experience. Engineered with Wi-Fi 6 technology, these glasses deliver unparalleled gaming performance with efficient bandwidth usage and minimal latency, ensuring a smooth and seamless gameplay experience. Weighing just 2 ounces, they're incredibly lightweight and portable, perfect for extended gaming sessions without discomfort. Supporting cloud gaming across various platforms, including GeForce, Now, Parsec, and Shadow, the Dreamglass Flow opens up a world of gaming possibilities. For handheld gamers, it projects a massive 120-inch virtual screen, providing an immersive gaming experience that's both private and exhilarating. Whether you're a console gamer on the move or a handheld enthusiast craving a larger-than-life gaming experience, the Dreamglass Flow is your ticket to gaming nirvana, priced at $399. Royal Rowrite 2. Experience the perfect fusion of tradition and technology with the Royal Rowrite 2, the ultimate tool for taking handwritten notes in the digital age. Crafted with a sleek and modern design, this innovative notebook seamlessly bridges the gap between analog and digital writing experiences. With its magnetic design, the Rowrite 2 ensures that you'll never misplace your pen again, allowing you to focus on capturing your ideas without any distractions. And with a long-lasting battery capacity of 710 mAh, you can use the Rowrite 2 for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. Compatible with any standard A5 real paper notebook, the Rowrite 2 offers the familiarity of traditional note-taking while harnessing the power of digital technology. And with the intuitive Rowrite app, you can easily convert your handwritten notes into editable text, play back your work, and share your notes with others. With advanced features for organization and retrieval, the Royal Rowrite 2 is not just a notebook. It's a versatile tool for productivity and creativity in the digital age. Izarek. Meet the Izarek, the ultimate voice recorder for capturing important conversations and events with unparalleled audio quality and discretion. Despite its compact size, this top-of-the-line voice recorder packs a punch, making it the perfect companion for professionals on the go. Featuring a magnetic buckle, it easily attaches to any metallic surface for convenient access. With a battery life of up to 24 hours of continuous recording or an impressive 50 days on standby, you'll never miss a moment. Equipped with AI noise-canceling technology and the ability to record up to 7 meters away, the Izarek ensures crystal-clear audio even in noisy environments. With integrated automatic gain control algorithms, far-off sounds are amplified, while high-definition sound reception captures every voice frequency with precision. The eMMC provides lightning-fast transfer speeds, saving you valuable time. With the Izarek app's mark function, playback control is a breeze, allowing you to easily navigate through recordings based on sound waves. Priced at $79, the Izarek offers professional-grade recording capabilities at an unbeatable value. Outisen E-Wagon. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the Outisen E-Wagon, the ultimate electric utility wagon designed for all your hauling needs. Loaded with features to make carrying gear a breeze, including electric power assist, all-terrain wheels, and hill descent control, the Outisen E-Wagon ensures smooth and effortless transportation across any terrain. With FlowStride technology providing extra power on various terrains, even uphill journeys with heavy loads feel like a walk in the park. The portable detachable battery charges in just 3 hours, offering up to 7 miles of usage for uninterrupted outdoor fun. With high-density rubber wheels, you can explore off-road trails with ease. Experience the freedom of adventure with the Outisen E-Wagon, available for $450. Velo luggage. Say goodbye to the hassle of lugging around multiple pieces of luggage for different travel needs with the Velo luggage. This innovative travel companion redefines versatility with its adjustable sizing options, allowing you to effortlessly adapt to any journey. Whether you're embarking on a short business trip or a long-awaited vacation, the Velo luggage has you covered. With the simple press of a button, you can seamlessly transition between 3 levels of sizes, ensuring the perfect fit for every adventure. Crafted with a rugged PC hard shell and aerospace aluminum housing, this luggage is built to withstand the rigors of travel while keeping your belongings safe and secure. And with the latest locking mechanism, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing that your valuables are protected at all times. Devoom Backpack M. Say hello to the Devoom Pixu M Backpack, your ultimate companion for carrying all your daily essentials in style. Designed with practicality and innovation in mind, this backpack boasts plenty of organizational pockets and a spacious main compartment to help you pack more efficiently while keeping everything neatly organized. Crafted from water-repellent material, it's built to withstand the elements, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry even in unpredictable weather conditions. But what sets this backpack apart is its built-in LED panel and power bank, allowing you to unleash your creativity with real-time drawings displayed on the backpack itself. With access to a vast pixel gallery through the Devoom app, featuring over 10,000 pixel artworks, The possibilities for customization are endless. Compatible with iOS and Android devices, it's accessible to anyone seeking a blend of style and functionality. With integrated LED night backpack and bike mount controls, safety in low light conditions is ensured. Whether you're a pixel art enthusiast or simply in search of a stylish yet functional backpack, the Davoom Pixu M is the perfect choice, available at just $129.99. Fitness System E550. Transform your backyard into a personal fitness oasis with the endless pools. Fitness System E550. Designed to combine the benefits of swimming and fitness training in one sleek package, this state-of-the-art system is the ultimate solution for achieving your fitness goals without ever leaving home. Crafted with a stylish shell that complements any outdoor space, the E550 features a hydraulically powered propulsion system that delivers a smooth and powerful swim current, regardless of your swimming level. Whether you're looking to improve your stroke technique or increase your cardiovascular endurance, the E550 is tailor-made to meet your needs. And with an underwater treadmill and 3 different jet configurations, post-workout relaxation has never been easier. So whether you're striving for peak performance or simply looking to unwind after a long day, the Endless Pools Fitness System E550 offers the perfect blend of fitness and relaxation in one convenient package. Olia Pilot. Introducing the Olia Pilot, the next generation of open-ear headphones that's revolutionizing the way we experience sound. Unlike traditional earbuds that sit inside your ears, the Elite Pilot features an open-ear design that allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying immersive audio. Perfect for bustling environments like offices or airports, its lightweight construction and comfortable fit ensure all-day wearability without discomfort. But what truly sets the Elite Pilot apart is its 3-mic noise cancellation technology, which effectively eliminates up to 50 decibels of background noise, ensuring crystal clear voice clarity during calls or music playback. With the built-in Bluetooth adapter, you can effortlessly connect to 2 devices simultaneously, whether you're multitasking on a project or enjoying a leisurely stroll while listening to your favorite podcast. Experience the pinnacle of sound quality and versatility with the Olia Pilot, available for just $89. Oppo Watch 46 mini. Join the wearable revolution, the latest addition to the smartwatch market, packed with features to enhance your daily life. Built to last, this robust smartwatch can withstand up to 36 hours of continuous use, thanks to its dual-mode endurance system. With custom VOOC flash charging, you can go from 0 to 100% battery in just 75 minutes, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Featuring a sleek, dual-curved screen with a 3D curved surface, the OPO watch displays more information with stunning clarity. Equipped with a rear optical heart rate sensor and water resistance up to 50 meters, it's your perfect companion for tracking runs, swims, bike rides, walks, and more. With built-in GPS and GLONASS location services, you can explore new routes with confidence. Available in a variety of colors and offering a wide selection of watch faces, the OPO Watch 46mm combines style with functionality for the ultimate wearable experience. Black Time, 11 p.m. For those seeking something truly unique, look no further than the Black Time 11 p.m. smartwatch. Combining cutting-edge technology with premium craftsmanship, this one-of-a-kind timepiece is sure to turn heads. Featuring a dual AMOLED screen with an always-on display that dims when not in use, the Black Time 11 p.m. offers a sleek and sophisticated user experience. The luxurious ceramic dial ensures durability and scratch resistance, making it perfect for everyday wear. With features like a heart rate sensor, oxygen sensor, and an impressive 10-day battery life, the Black Time 11 p.m. is more than just a watch. It's a statement of style and functionality. And that's a wrap on our showcase of the 13 coolest gadgets available on Amazon. We hope you enjoyed the journey through the realm of cutting-edge technology. Which gadget caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech explorations and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of innovation. See you in the next video.